curls look different every wash day, but you're using the same products every wash day, your curls look different because you're using the same products every wash day. I know that sounds confusing, but the truth is that your hair actually needs different things at different times. So if you're reaching for like the same shampoo and conditioner every time, it's gonna turn out differently. You're just not actually giving your curls what they need that day. You're just basically like a hair robot. And really, most people don't realize this. But the in-shower portion of your curly hair routine is actually the most important step. I know it's like the boring part, but it's the most important. So today, I'm breaking down the 3 types of conditioners and how to know which one your curls are begging for. And also how to know when to use each one so you never waste another wash day. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbie, I'm a curly hair coach, and I have transformed over 20,000 heads of curly hair. Yes, seriously, that is a real number. I've been able to help these people through one-to-one coaching, Curls Monthly, my curly hair subscription service, and videos just like this. If you're not familiar with Curls Monthly, like I said, it's a curly hair subscription service where each month subscribers will get 5 curly hair products and even accessories for them to try. It's the best way to try products before committing to buying them and to end the product guessing for good. Transforming curls is truly my passion. If you're looking for guidance, I will drop the link for Curls Monthly below. It would be my honor to help you love your curls. Okay, so first things first, if you haven't watched my 3 types of shampoo videos, I also recommend you watching that. I will link that below. Because as we know, what you use in the shower is so important to just your overall how your hair turns out. Hopefully you will watch that, or you did watch that. And of course, this video is about the 3 different types of conditioners you could have. So the first type of conditioner is a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner is a hair treatment or even like a hair mask that provides a much more intensive moisturizing and hydrating and restorative method to hair care, especially compared to like regular daily conditioners. It's formulated with richer, more concentrated ingredients and is designed to actually penetrate your hair shaft. So like it will actually go into your hair, repairing, strengthening, and hydrating the innermost steps of your hair. Deep conditioning is specifically beneficial for like dry or damaged hair. It massively helps improve elasticity or reduce frizz and enhance your overall hair health. When your hair is healthy, your hair looks good, like period. And usually you leave it on your hair longer than a normal conditioner. Deep conditioners probably are not meant to be used every wash day. Typically at most, and for best case, for most people, I would recommend using one every other wash day, but it just depends on what your curls need and what type of deep conditioner you're using, or just when your curls need that extra level of hydration. I also recommend using a deep conditioner on days that you clarify your hair. Typically when you clarify your hair, you're like kind of taking more oil and moisture out of it. So the deep conditioner will just come in and just help that hair. The second type of conditioner that you can use is called protein treatments. They're similar to deep treatments, and they could be a deep treatment, but they're specialized treatments designed to strengthen and repair damaged hair. And they do this by infusing your hair with essential proteins. These masks penetrate the hair shaft, so again, they go inside of the hair, and they rebuild damage from within and just improve your overall hair health. And remember, when your hair is healthy, it looks good. They're particularly beneficial for hair that is chemically treated, Brazilian blowouts, keratin treatments, or coloring, heat styled, and prone to breakage. And just like deep conditioners, protein treatments are probably not meant to be used every wash day. But when hair feels weak, brittle, or just lacks elasticity, you just want to use them as needed. So for the most damaged hair, maybe even once a week at most. But for somebody who just wants to have maintenance, you can do once a month or like once every month and a half is kind of what I do. And the third type of conditioner is conditioner. It's just sort of your regular conditioner that you are most used to using. This is like a daily conditioner. You most likely use it after shampooing. It's gonna give your hair a nice soft feeling, and maybe it will moisturize it a little bit, but it's not actually long-term moisturizing your hair like a deep treatment or protein treatment would be. And you would basically use it every single wash day unless you're using a deep conditioner or a protein treatment. You would swap them out based on what you need. So if you need a conditioner recommendation for curls, look no further, I got you. This is great because you definitely need a good solid daily conditioner because that's the one that you use the most. So a lot of people ask me if they need to use conditioners or really any product that have the word curl in them. Like, can I use something that has the word curl in them or not, or what's going on? And my answer is no, you don't necessarily need to have the word curl on your products. You, for the most part, just want to make sure as a curly girl that you're probably staying away from like silicones unless you know how to use them and implement them into your routine. Now, that being said, conditioners that have the word curl in it are of course just typically made for curls. And usually they're like heavier and juicier and better for like that drier hair type. Today, I'm actually showing you the Being Curl Power Curl Defining Conditioner. This just actually entered the Curls Monthly product vault in October 2025. Very excited for this product. So when you subscribe to Curls Monthly, you can actually pick to try this. So good. It's a nourishing daily conditioner. It's gonna be on like the heavier side, not the heaviest ever, but the heavier side. So if you struggle with needing moisture, this is definitely a good option. It's for all types of curls. Something that I low-key love about it is it actually has isopropyl alcohol in it, which is technically like not approved for curly girl method if that's what you do. But I love when products have isopropyl alcohol because usually that means that it won't weigh your hair down even though it's juicier. And the packaging is literally so perfect. This is such a good option for you. And also the best part of this is that this giant thing is $6.97 from Walmart. That's incredible. So how do you know when to reach for each conditioner? Again, the key is learning to read your curls. So next wash day, ask yourself this question before selecting your conditioner. 1, are your curls dry, rough, or frizzy? If they are, you might want to reach for a deep moisturizing conditioner. This will give your curls a very big moisture boost, soften the cuticle, and bring back that nice bounce. Now, maybe your curls are weak, limp, or overly soft. If they are, you want to reach for a protein treatment. This will help restore elasticity to your curls and help them to spring back instead of hanging flat. This is especially important if you just colored, straightened, or did any type of bleaching or heat styling. You can also do as needed. Now, if it's not neither of those, maybe your hair is really just feeling kind of soft, shiny, and balanced. That's when you just want to stick to your regular conditioner. If your hair feels happy and healthy, don't overcomplicate it. A regular conditioner will help maintain that balance without overloading your hair with protein or moisture. Really what you want to do is take a minute to assess your curls each wash day. And that, my friends, is how you figure out what conditioner to reach for each wash day. And if you're looking for a great everyday conditioner, definitely recommend this one from Being. I love their products because they literally write out which type of curl each one is for. Although any type of curls can of course try anything. It's really based on preference, but I think it's a really cool starting off point. So I will drop that link below to try it inside of Curls Monthly. Leave your favorite deep conditioner or protein treatments in the comments to help the other curly girlies out, and I will see you next time.